I'm Kathy for Kuhn Rikon, and today I'm demonstrating our clear cookie press. I'll show you the wonderful variety of shaped cookies and treats you can create, and all the professional decorating fun you can have with our easy-to-use cookie press. Let's take a moment to become familiar with what's included. The kit consists of the cookie press with a stainless steel trigger that offers one-handed operation for right or left-handed individuals. 14 unique shaped cookie discs including a heart, wreath, star, butterfly, dinosaur, bat, pumpkin, tree, candy cane, snowman, and other abstract designs, as well as a special disc for making cheese straws. 6 decorating tips including both a small and large round tip, ribbon, leaf, star, and basket weave tips, and a decorating disc attachment with a coupler, recipe and instruction booklet, and the convenient plastic storage case to keep everything organized.